Hi, my friend. This is Ahmed Tuesta. I have a page, a music page. It's Andean Style. It's a music project where we sell a lot of instruments, bamboo instruments from South America, Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, and I sell some quenas as well, right? So I wanna teach you. I wanna teach you how to place the quena. This is the first video I make about this in English. I speak Spanish, but a lot of customers tell me if I can do some in English, so I'm gonna do it. And also later I'm gonna do it in Spanish as well. So for people who speak Spanish here in the States, obviously where I live in San Antonio, Texas, and this is a quena of bamboo. And Kena has a six hole. It's an instrument from the Andes. It's pretty played in Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, north of Chile, now Argentina, uh, Colombia as well. Well, now everywhere. Kena is a beautiful, nice instrument. It has a beautiful sound, and it has a U shape on top. It's a U shape where the air when the air hits in the U shape produce the sound like this. It has a six hole in front and it has a one hole behind, right? So I'm gonna show you how to place the quena. The video is gonna take the title, how to place the quena. So you pretend you make a little smile here, and then it has to be flat here. Your chain has to be flat so that the cane is going to position there, right there. You see? Has to be all covered around, because don't let the air you blow escape down. If you don't cover all, the air is going to escape down or it's going to escape up, right? So when you blow, when it's right there, don't put too tense, have to be soft, you know because you put too much, it's gonna be red here. You're gonna get damage in your, hurts your chin. So it's very soft. Make sure it's covered all around, and you wanna blow it straight, very soft. Don't blow too much. Don't do this. People does that in the beginning, so it's not good because that's too much. You can get dizzy pretty fast, and the air is gonna split. It's gonna spread out, right? So remember that the air, when it hits the U shape, is gonna produce the sound. Okay, this kind of is in G major, so it's a very it's when with everybody, most musician, Andean musician starts in G. The quena is in G major. Also, we start with the quena and the zampoña, and the most important instrument in the Andes, a wind instrument, is the quena, right? So remember, we gotta pretend smiling a little bit, blow, and the upper level. Remember, the upper level don't cover the U shape like this. It's kind of like has to be a little bit flat in upper level, a little bit behind. So enough room to the air came out, right? In the air I'm blowing is very, very soft air. And if you put your hand, you're gonna feel the air a little bit right there. That's the air. Enough. Okay? So when you're blowing, trying to blow, move a little bit down, a little bit up, because all chains are different, completely different. All person has a different chain. So the part here is not the same for everybody. So you make sure you move a little bit. You don't find some people is gonna find the position like that, some there, some a little bit up, maybe because their chin are a little bit different. So you try to blow soft until you find the right position for you. That's gonna be the position for you. So everybody, when you play the quena, you remember right there. Remember when you blow the candles right there, right there. You blow the candle like this, kind of like that, but in less intensity, like real soft. Like let's pretend the candles are like 5 or 7 inch from your mouth, so you gotta blow soft right there, right there. Okay, and this you have to practice every day. I recommend practice like maybe half hour per day, you know, so that way your muscles work. Because every time you're practicing, your muscles are working, you know, more stronger, right? So your muscle you're gonna feel in maybe 15 days or 20 days. Sometimes your muscles hurts. You practice too much, you know. Per day, it's gonna feel some sore here, some little bit of pain, but that's not too much, you know, because your muscles are working. So until you get a better, clear sound. In the beginning, it's not very clear. The sound is gonna be like maybe rough, you know. You're gonna feel sound like this. But if you're practicing, I'm pretty sure your air is gonna be more clear, you know. So you're gonna get this sound. Remember when you blow, when you're trying to place the quena, cover with your tongue the hole behind, and cover the 1 or 2 or 3. Don't try to cover all of them and get the sound. Don't try to call all of them like this. Start with the notes E. It's D and C, right? See, D, yeah, mi, re is D, right? D and C. So it's because when you start, you have to kind of like the holes. You have to cover all of them. Sometimes it's pretty tough, you know. So don't cover all of them until you got more practice. Start with the with the first octave, because second octave. I'm gonna show you how to do the second octave later in another video. But you gotta start with the first octave, the low ones. Okay. Second octave is like this. But start with the first octave, because if you don't know how to blow, how to get the sound, it's gonna be tough for you get the second octave, because in the third octave, because it's you gotta practice. You gotta practice more. You know, you have to be playing some music in the first octave at least. I don't know, any kind of music you do. I recommend play kids music, you know, for because they're very easy to learn. Or some Andean music, like very easy, like Ojos Azules, you know. Some kids music. Some easy songs. Don't go to the very tough songs, because you're not gonna make it, and you're gonna get desperate, and you're gonna let the quena in the side. You start with every like a simple song, simple notes that can help you to practice in the first octave, and then when you're practicing, if you practice a lot, you're gonna get very quick the sounds. You can play any music by ear as well. But and then if you're practicing like 6 months, you getting the sound, good sound, clear sound, you're gonna pass to the second octave and then to the third octave. But now I recommend play the quena, you know, get the sound first, and get a simple, play a simple music, simple songs, okay, to start. Okay, I hope this video help you. Just don't be desperate, don't blow too much, don't do this. Very soft, it's flat here. Blow very soft, very soft, and less air you can. The upper level, don't cover the U shape. Remember, don't cover. It has to be like flat here. And the sound is gonna get clear when you hit the area in the U shape here. Okay. Well, thank you very much. I'm gonna come back with a second video about the fingers, about the scales, and keep in touch. My channel is Andean Style Videos. Thank you, buddy.